In this video, we are going to look at a new construct in Dart, which is known as an enumeration. So, what is an enumeration? An enumeration, or enum, is a special kind of class that is used to represent a fixed number of constant values. So, to show you how this looks like, let me just clean this code. And then over here, I can define an enum by typing enum, and then I need to give it a name, for example, network error. And then I have a pair of curly braces, and inside here I could type in bad URL, comma, and then on a new line, timeout, and then resource not available, like this. And if I wanted, I could add some more cases in here, but for now, let's just use these three. Next, let me show you how we can use this. So I could define a function that we could use to print an error depending on the value of the network error. So to do that, I could type in void print error, and then I can pass an input parameter, which would be a network error, like this. And then inside here, I could type in if error equals network error dot bad URL. Then inside braces, I can print bad URL, and I can then use an else and write else if error equals network error dot timeout. Then in this case, I could print timeout. And finally, I could type in else if error equals network error dot resource not available. And here I could print resource not available, like this. And in my main error, I could type in print error and then pass in network error dot bad URL, like this. And if I run the code in my console, I'm going to see bad URL. So enumerations or enums are used when we have a finite set of values that we need to represent. And in this example, we can check the input error variable against each of the possible cases in our enumeration and execute some logic accordingly. Okay, so let's continue on the next video.